Alrighty then. He's finally here. Connor McKnight. Okay, let's do this. Alright, is he actually here? Did they fix it? They didn't fix it. Come on, guys. Patch that up. Alright, box number 1. Wish me luck. 40.1% chance. I don't have enough for step 3. Alright. Let's get into it. No! Will I get 2 shards after that? No bonus rewards for this step. Might be doing another unboxing later. Like a couple days from now or something. I don't know. That sucked. And I'm all decked out, too. 40.1% chance, huh? Normally there's like an animation for the shop here. Well, let's turn this into an actual video. It's actually watchable. And let's go a couple matches. My storage says it's slow, but I just freed up like half of my tablet already, so I don't know why it's still saying it. So I'm gonna go like 1 match or something. If we do good, I might do another one. Hopefully I can finish these pretty quick. That was some fast loading time. Oh no.
3, 2, 1, go!
I didn't want to start out with a block, but, you know. You don't really expect that, do you? Okay, yeah, that's my strategy. I canceled that. You can't block that now, can you? And then you did. And then you did. You're still not going to win this, I hope you know. I could just use block breakers all I want, you know. But I'm not going to because you just ran your last block. Block this. Xandrid, come on. You are not making the comeback now. I'm sorry, it is not happening. What? Excuse me, what? Nope. I love that twing as soon as it like went to my victory pose. It was just perfect. So it was pretty good. I'll unlock this real quick. We're about to be promoted, so I'm gonna go again. Will you shut up already? Come on. I thought that trick would work. It always does. Most of the time. Who are we gonna fight this time, if we fight anyone? Oh, fine, I'll do an opening. So this happened in my Solaris Knight video as well. I didn't do any matches, but I bought the offer like twice, I think. And I didn't get a single shard, so I'm not having a repeat of that, and I'm just doing some matches or something. Something to fill the void. Finally, an opponent, and it's probably going to be one that I am not going to appreciate. Watch me get utterly destroyed by this. Music, let's do this. Are you AFK? Really? Okay. I don't think so. You want to go up in the air? I'll knock you in the air. I'm just gonna... Okay. Yeah, I really just tried that. I expected you to block that. Xandrid, come on! Quit being stubborn. Don't block that. You know I was gonna cancel it. Alright, I've had enough of this guy. I canceled it. Die! It's only me and you who is gonna save you now. Who is gonna save you now? I am the tallest of mountains, and don't you ever forget it. If you step in the ring, then you're gonna regret it. Cause if you're messing with me, then you should know that it's over. I don't crumble for nothing, I've got the world on my shoulders. Okay. Showdown of the century! I canceled. Okay, that was pretty cool. Whoa, 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 what? Hold on. Ah! Look around you and tell me what you really see. It's you and me. I have the power, let me show you what it's all about. It's only me and you who is gonna save you now. No, 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 no. Why? Alright. Should have quit while I was ahead. Well, subscribe for more. That's gonna do it for me.